Thousands of years ago, long before cities and calendars, life was measured by light and sound, by the rhythm of the earth itself. There's a quiet truth that every warrior, healer, and seeker across time has known. Power is never in chaos, it's in rhythm. The rhythm of the sun rising and setting, the rhythm of your breath steady and calm, the rhythm of small, consistent actions done every single day. When you live in rhythm, life feels lighter. Your energy sharpens, your mind clears, and your heart steadies. But when you live in noise and disorder, it's like rowing a boat against the tide, exhausting, frustrating, and endless. Today you'll learn what the ancients knew about rhythm, and you'll take the first step towards building a life steady enough to hold your greatest fire. Thousands of years ago, long before cities and calendars, life was measured by light and sound, by the rhythm of the earth itself. The Vedas tell us of the rishis, the ancient seers, who woke every morning before sunrise. They tended to the sacred fire, bathed in the river, sat in stillness as the first rays of light touched the land. Their days moved like a song, rising with the dawn, eating with the sun high in the sky, working and teaching in steady blocks of time, returning to silence and ritual as dusk arrived, sleeping when the earth slept. This rhythm was not rigid, it was alive, fluid, and natural. And because of that, their minds were sharp, their bodies were strong, and their hearts were clear. Even today, the few who live in this way, monks, healers, farmers close to the land, radiate with something different, a steadiness, a quiet confidence, an energy that feels both calm and powerful. Your body, your mind, your spirit, they all crave this rhythm. Every time you wake up and sleep at the same time, eat at regular hours, create small, steady rituals, you tell your system you are safe, you are steady, you are in control. And when your days are scattered, late nights, irregular meals, endless noise, you tell your system the opposite. There is no rhythm, there is no safety. That's when stress, fatigue, and anxiety creep in. Here's the truth. Great change never comes from dramatic one-time effort. It comes from small actions repeated with rhythm until they become who you are. This is why warriors train daily, why sages sit in stillness every morning and evening, why rituals, no matter how small, hold such power. Because rhythm isn't just a routine, it's alignment with the sun, the earth, and the quiet fire inside you. Here's your challenge for this week. Simple but transformative. For the next 7 days, wake up, light your flame, and sit with it for 3 minutes. Whisper idam na mama. This fire is not mine. This strength is not mine. It belongs to the rhythm that holds the stars. In the evening, before bed, again sit for 3 minutes in silence. Whisper idam na mama. I release today. I return to the rhythm that steadies me. Eat one meal each day in quiet, without screens, just noticing your food and your breath. It's not about perfection. It's about presence, about teaching your mind and body that rhythm is possible, even in small ways. At the end of 7 days, notice how your mornings feel. Notice the steadiness in your evenings. Notice the quiet confidence that grows when your days have a beat to them. It is how the strongest warriors and wisest sages have always moved through the world. Not by chasing balance, but by creating it. Not by wishing for strength, but by practicing it in small, steady ways every single day. Tomorrow morning, light your flame, breathe, whisper, move into your day with the quiet strength of someone who knows how the power of rhythm works. Because the world doesn't need your more people in chaos, it needs warriors steady in the rhythm, carrying light with calm clarity. And that begins with you.